Funny enough, I get loads and loads of inquiries about this thing here. And it just kind of sits there. So the old YouTube cliche, will it start? Well, will it? Right, I'm limited to what I can do while I'm holding the phone. I can do this much. Oh, I've left the battery connected for at least 6, maybe 7 months. Oh, would you believe it? Look at that. There it is. Look at that there. Look. Bright red with a green dot. Bright red with a green dot. Full charged. Full charged, he says. Engine's not seized. It's a bit moist up there. But what can it do? Well, I'll tell you what I shouldn't have done. I shouldn't have left the bloody handbrake on. That's naughty. Oh, and I forgot to shrink the picture down so everything's in like massive vision. Massive! But anyway. Oh, the pump was a bit slow then. Here the carb's empty. I'm still gas in the tank. And the float ball's full. 1, 2, 3. Well, I guess that's a no right now. Oh, wait a minute. How about that then, eh? That's a good 6 months of being sat around, unloved, uncared for, but with them fishnets. I was going to say it's going to idle as well, but we can't get that lucky. Having a bit of a wilt now. Wilton! Oh well, maybe that's me lot, but anyway. Oops. There it is. Le escort. Later.